Good morning. Should we wake them up?
Well, they did set an alarm.
I hate waking up.
And yet, here you are.
Oh, come on, stand back, I'll do it. Ready? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up now!
Well, that's that done then.
Good morning. Should we wake them up?
Hey guys, good morning, Rajan here. I'm doing a 500 plus kilometer, around 600 kilometer ride to and fro. I'm going to Sakaleshpur, my native place. It is 16 past 6 in the morning. I'm late. I should have started by 5:30 or something like that. I need to fill up petrol. I'm going to Shell. Then I will hit Nice Road. It's a Nandi corridor expressway, so that I can exit at Nelmangla, exit towards Nelmangla actually. So that's the plan. From there we'll see when I will reach. I have taken the screen grab when I started from my house in Bangalore. We'll see how much time I take to do around 260 kilometer. I'm definitely gonna stop for breakfast, and if at all needed, another tea break. So that is the plan, guys. See you at petrol bunk for a quick fill up. From there, Nice Road. From there, Nelmangla Junction. From there, Hassan. See you on the road. Power petrol, full tank.
Full tank.
Yeah. Honestly. Okay, petrol is filled. Heading towards Nice Road entry here on Banagada Road. What the hell is this? Smoke or I don't know. Air pressure I wanted to check, but unfortunately it was not available. Okay. Sir, Nelmangla exit. All right. Just crossing Nelmangla. You can see the board in front of me. Hassan 156 kilometer, Bangalore 321. My route is Bangalore through Hassan, of course. Wow, the weather is awesome, guys, awesome. Just to vlog, I slowed down a bit so that you guys can hear me properly. I should start riding properly now. I need to maintain at least 120 so that I can reach my place by, I don't know, it's 7:30. Maybe by 10:30. 10:30 is the realistic time, I think. Sky is clearing up. It's nice. Really, really nice. Today weather is so nice, not feeling like stopping, man. Anyhow, okay, I'm gonna stop here for a chai break. Yeah, I need it. So I'm gonna stop here. Hey guys, just finished tea break, so I need to start now. Took almost 10 minutes break. Hassan entry, guys. I don't go to Hassan. I take this Bangalore highway, so I can avoid the city traffic. There's no reason to go into the traffic, right? Hey guys, reached Sakaleshpur. This is the bridge. This is the Hemavati river actually. As it is summer, it's completely dried up. This is the Sakaleshpur city. I'm passing through Sakaleshpur city. City. Sakaleshpur city.